Imagine a chicken, not exactly known for its flying prowess, taking to the skies and soaring for 13 whole seconds. That's right, 13 seconds, which is roughly 4 times its age. But before we dive into the amazing story of this flying chicken, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. I mean, who doesn't love a good underdog story, right? So, why should you care about a chicken that flew for 13 seconds? Well, it's not just about the chicken, it's about what this feat can teach us about the incredible engineering of the natural world. So, how do chickens fly? It's all about the shape of their wings, the movement of their feathers, and the powerful muscles that flap them. But what's really interesting is that chickens have a unique way of generating lift and thrust. They use a combination of wing movement and tail feathers to create a vortex of air above and below their wings, which gives them the lift they need to take off and stay aloft. It's like a tiny, feathered airplane. Now, let's talk about the aerodynamics of chicken flight. It's all about the way the air flows over and under the chicken's wings. The shape of the wing, the angle of attack, and the movement of the feathers all contribute to the creation of lift and thrust. But what's really fascinating is that chickens have a unique way of using turbulence to their advantage. They can create small whirlpools of air above and below their wings, which gives them extra lift and allows them to stay aloft for longer. So, what makes a chicken's muscles so special? It's all about the way they're structured and the way they work together to flap the wings. Chickens have a unique type of muscle called fast-twitch muscle, which is designed for rapid, powerful contractions. This allows them to flap their wings quickly and generate a lot of lift and thrust. It's like a tiny, feathered rocket engine. Feathers are a crucial part of a chicken's flying ability. They provide lift, thrust, and control, and they're incredibly lightweight and flexible. But what's really interesting is that feathers are also very efficient at reducing air resistance. They have a unique shape and structure that allows them to cut through the air with minimal drag, which makes it easier for the chicken to fly. Tail feathers are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in a chicken's flying ability. They provide stability and control, and they help the chicken to steer and maneuver in the air. But what's really fascinating is that tail feathers can also be used to generate extra lift and thrust. By moving their tail feathers, chickens can create a small vortex of air that gives them an extra boost of lift and helps them to stay aloft. So, how does a chicken's flying ability compare to other birds? Well, it's not exactly a fair comparison. Chickens are not designed for long-distance flight, and they're not as agile or maneuverable as some other birds. But what's really interesting is that chickens have a unique way of flying that's all their own. They use a combination of wing movement and tail feathers to create a distinctive flutterglider pattern that's unlike any other bird. So, what can we learn from a chicken's flying ability? Well, it's all about understanding the incredible engineering of the natural world. By studying the way a chicken flies, we can gain insights into the design of more efficient aircraft and drones. We can also learn more about the biology and physics of flight, and how to apply those principles to real-world problems. And that's the amazing story of a chicken that flew for 13 seconds. It's a reminder that even in the most unlikely of creatures, there's often a hidden world of complexity and sophistication. So, the next time you see a chicken, don't just think of it as a bird that can't fly. Think of it as a tiny, feathered engineer that's designed to soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.